This video is brought to you by Binary Bot Real Account. Leverage small $30 trading capital for huge gains on the synthetic markets. The official binary options robot provider for the Deriv trading platform. All info is in the description.
If I'm a Bitcoin and crypto billion, one bag of actives and annihilate. Bloody shoes, man, I crypto for dirty fire.
What is up, guys? Thank you for checking out another video here from Forex for Beginners. It's yours truly, PabloPipsFX, and it's another trading week, guys. Today is Sunday. Markets just reopened. Currently, we're still trying that $20 account challenge. Currently, this is day 2. I didn't get to put in a trade there on Friday, but we did close our initial trade. Our first trade there, bringing the account up to $26 there. So we achieved that 31% growth. So right now, we're trying to aim for that target profit of $34. All right. So by the end of this day, Sunday, we should have a total amount of $34, and we're only taking 20 pips per trade. So as soon as it hits 20 pips, I'm out. And we're taking this account all the way up to 52,000, guys. So this is a 30-day challenge, bringing up a $20 account. So if you want to follow along with this challenge, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button on this video to really show your support. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So right now, guys, I do have a one position open on XAU USD. I saw a quick short opportunity just to go short on gold, so I went and I took that. As you can see, let me see if I can get a cleaner chart for you guys. Yeah, I use a lot of technical analysis before I open my positions, as should any trader in these markets. You want to make sure that you're doing your technical analysis before actually opening your positions. All right, guys. Always try to preserve your account. So right now I'm just trying to look for an empty chart. I think I can do this as well. A little cool tricks here with XAU. I think I can do that. See if this opens a new chart. So, no, just look for it right here. Oh, where's XAU? Can you spot it, guys? Can you spot it? So looking for XAU. Where's XAU, man? XAU. Oh, here it is. So found it. All right. So I hope you guys can see better on this chart. Wow. Okay, so guys, as we were talking, that trade went ahead and hit take profit. So now we're at a balance of $34 on this account. So this would be day 2. All right, guys, day 2. Let's go ahead and follow along on the spreadsheet. You get access to this, guys, in the links in the description. All the links are in the description. So it's a good thing I started this video when I did, or else you guys would have missed out on that trade. All right, so where are we right now, guys? See how easy that was, guys? That was like a really quick trade, and we just nabbed ourselves some profits. All right, bringing the account from $26 to $34. So if we go ahead and check our compound sheet, we can see that we're right on there where we should be in regards to account progress. All right, so far so good using the 20 pips a day strategy. The next trade would be tomorrow or Monday. You know, it's pretty early that I took this trade in the trading week, so I'm pretty happy that I got it out of the way as well. So right now, guys, we are at $34 with our account growth. Tomorrow being the 3rd day, Monday, we start our account. We start our account with $34, what we just ended with, right? $34 there, and by the end of tomorrow, we should be ending with something like $44 in regards to this compound sheet. All right, so we'll be using lot sizes 0.7 tomorrow, day after that 0.09, and the day after that 0.11. So we see how the account is able to slowly compound at a steady rate, only aiming for targets of 20 pips. All right, so not a lot of market movement that we're requiring, so we can be able to get in and out of those markets in quick time and securing our profits. All right. But this was the video for that 20-day challenge. This is day 2, guys, a little bit shorter than our previous video, and that's just because it was a really quick trade. The markets are really volatile on market open days, so and gold itself is a volatile instrument itself. So that explained that would add to the whole reason that trade ended pretty quickly. But if you guys enjoy this video, you know what it is, man. Go ahead and like and subscribe. All right, like and subscribe for future content like this and just other cool trading strategies, guys. I can even show you. I'm using the same strategy for synthetic indices, VIX, for this strategy, and I'm just killing it on VIX as well, guys. Let me go to MetaTrader 5 and show you guys that. So if I go to my MetaTrader 5, you can see that I'm currently $60 in floating profit uh, with the Deriv broker. Again, if you don't have this broker, guys, the links will be in the description. And I've just been writing out these trade, guys, using the same strategy. So again, powerful stuff, man, being dropped on this channel, guys. So if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Don't miss out on this. But until tomorrow, guys, you stay safe. It's been yours truly, PabloPipsFX here from Forex for Beginners. I'm out.